Next week, Apple will announce its next lineup of the iPhone 14 and Samsung is ready with an ad to tease prospective iPhone 14 buyers with what they are missing by not having a Samsung device. The ad, titled Buckle Up, only showcases the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 and the Galaxy S22 Ultra as they are close within the expected price point of the iPhone 14 Pro, hovering at or above the $1,000 mark. The Z Flip 4's unique appearance, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's 108 megapixel main camera and its super zoom features are all teased in the ad. Next week on September 7, Apple will unveil its iPhone 14 lineup. We are also expecting a new Apple Watch model and possibly a lineup of new iPad Pro models, though those could be announced later in this year.